Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video you will learn that how to save a AutoCAD file. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel for more such informative videos. So in order to save the AutoCAD file, you can simply access the save tools which are available in this quick access toolbars, and this is the uh, options means the tool. This is the which is used to save the AutoCAD file. When you click on here, so it will be saved. Also you can click on this drop down button, and where this is the save options, you can click on this to save, or you can click on here to save as your file in your desired format or in desired uh, extension file. So also you can simply by shortcut part the saving of a AutoCAD file is the Control S. When you click on the Control S, so the file will be saved. So this was all about that how to save the AutoCAD file. So if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. So to save a file of AutoCAD is a save as. So you can click here and then click on the save as, and now this window will open, and it required to give a name to your file. So I want to name is drawing1, and it should be saved on the desktop, and so we will save it, and the file type will be for drawing file dwg, and we will click on the save button. So now you can see your file, AutoCAD file in the desktop, which is saved with the name as drawing1, this one. So you can save your file in this way. So this was all about that how to save as your file on AutoCAD. So if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.